Hey guys, it's A1 Pro 2003 here, and today I'm going to teach you how to install a custom recovery and root your phone. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the Android device, we're going to turn it on, and we're going to go to settings. Scroll all the way down to about device, and then take note of your model number. Then go to software info, and you want to click the build number right here 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My one's already enabled, but this should say developer mode has been enabled. And you want to go back again. And at the bottom next to about device, you should see a new tab, developer options. You want to click that. You want to go down to OEM Unlock and make sure that it's enabled. After this, you want to go down to the computer. On the computer, you want to go down to the description below and go to all the links, which I already have open here. So the first thing we want to go to is the website, TWRP website, where you can find the recovery for our device. With your model number that you took note of, you know, search it up. So my one was a J320F, but as you see, there's no results found. So if we go back, you see there's one result, but it ends in Y and Z, which means it's not my device. So in that case, if you cannot find your device on this website, you just want to go to your browser and search it up. J320F followed by TWRP recovery, and for me it's the first link, but for you it might be different, so just do your own research, but make sure you select the right one for your right device. So you want to click on the link and you want to download it, and as you see, it started downloading. Then you want to close that, you can close that as well. Then you want to go to the Odin website and you want to download the latest Odin, so you just click any here. Scroll down, as you see here, Odin 3.13.7 latest updated version. You want to click that. You want to scroll down and click download now, and that should start downloading. Now you can close that as well. And finally, you want to download the root zip. So you just want to go to the website, go to downloads, and scroll down to SuperSU zip and download the latest version 2.82 flashable.zip, and click it, and that should start downloading. And finally, on the description below, you'll have your USB drivers as well: Samsung, HTC, LG, Sony, and Motorola. Download the correct one for your device and move on. So now everything's downloaded, you just want to move it onto the desktop. And you can close the browser. So what you want to do then, you want to extract the odin.zip file to the desktop right here, and you want to open it up. You see these files, so open up the .exe file, and a window like this should pop up. Just press OK. Now the program, which is this, should pop up. From here, you're going to go back to the device and plug it in with your micro USB cable. And on the computer, you should see that on the Odin it says added. You should see some writing here. Now what you want to do, you want to press .ap. So now you know. So now you can see that it says added. Now we know that the device is connected. Before we carry on, you wanna go to your file explorer and go down to your device, Samsung Galaxy J3. Go to card if you have a card, or the phone internal storage, and you wanna place in, copy the file, the SuperSU file, into the device. You see I already have a few bytes right here. And then you can close that off. Go back to Odin and press AP. And you're gonna go to where you save your TWRP, which ends in .md5 folder. And you're gonna go to where you saved your TWRP, which ends in .md5 file, open it up, click it, and press open. Should only take about a minute to load, let it load. Once it's finished, go to Options tab, make sure that Auto Reboot is unchecked. Go to Log, and you're ready. Now go back to the device, and what you want to do, you want to power it off. Remove the cable if needed. And what you want to do now, you want to put it into download mode. To do this, you want to press the power button right here on the side, the home button, and the volume down button simultaneously. And you should see a screen like this. Now press the volume up button to continue, and a screen like this should come on. Bear in mind that for each device might be different, the button combination might be different, so just research and find your combination. Now you can plug in your micro USB cable and go back to your computer. You should see once again that it has added. So now we're ready, just press start. At success, you may see pass with exclamation mark, and at the bottom, all threads completed, succeed 1, failed 0. Now it has completed, go back to the Android device, and you can disconnect it. Now the buttons might be unusable, and you might not be able to turn it off normally. So what you can do instead, just turn it around and remove the battery. And pour it back on. Now, what you want to do, you want to go straight into recovery mode. To do this, same procedure. So power button, home button, and volume up button. Not volume down, volume up. And press simultaneously once the device is off. And release. And the TWRP recovery should launch up. On the first launch, it might have a different language. What you want to do, you want to press the right button and select your language, and then slide at the bottom. Once we're here, what you want to do, you're going to go to install, and you want to go to select storage if it's not already selected, and go to internal storage. Okay, now you want to go to where you save your zip file, which is all the way at the bottom, right here, and press it. Now swipe to install, and this will install your root. Once finished, you just want to press wipe cache, slide, and you just want to reboot system. It's gonna ask you every time you're gonna leave, it's always gonna ask you, your device does not appear to be rooted. Install SuperSU now. You always want to press do not install right here. Never swipe. That'll put your device in the boot loop. And to fix it, you're gonna have to flash a new stock ROM. So just make sure you always press do not install, even if your device is rooted. So what's gonna do is gonna boot up into the main system, and it's gonna apply some settings. And once it has finished, you see boot up into your system. Just unlock it, and what you want to do, just go around, search and find the SuperSU app. Just open it up, and now you have Root on your system. Guys, it's been A1 Pro 2003 here. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more.